Good morning. It's the day of the show, y'all. And I'm in this bed with the lights out. I'm going over my music. I think I'm going to do Get Ready With Me for my show on a cruise ship as a guest entertainer. It's a long day. I'm going to try to do as much filming as I can with the amount of space that I have to film because my phone and my computer are full to the brim. Anyway, start this video right this night. I find it interesting that every night when I come over here, the light comes on. And I didn't ask it to. But when I need the light to come on, she not interested. Hey, good in more time. Oh, you're wondering how I was in the dark with a mic in my hand. Well, that's what creators do. They make up moments to act like, oh, it perfectly timed out. Well, me, I'm not doing it. I got up in the dark, set up the camera, grabbed my microphone, turned the lights out, and got in bed. That's how we do it. Okay? Now, the problem is I can't get out this bed while this camera rolling because she ain't got on not a piece of clothes. Not one piece of clothes. There ain't no clothes under here. So, here is where I leave you and pick up in the next video. So, this is me getting ready for my show. Most of this video is going to be me talking on top of the video because I need to save my voice for my show, obviously. But right now, I just cleaned my room and I'm just getting my stuff set up for tonight because I don't want to be looking for nothing and I want everything to be laid out when I get back from rehearsal so that I can get ready. I made a big mistake and I accidentally left. This is stuck. I accidentally left my foundation. So you're also gonna watch me make up a color with my concealers for my show. I did a test yesterday, so I think it'll be totally fine. And I really don't want a lot on because it's hot and I'm gonna be sweating a lot because I generally sweat a lot. I will have this on stage with me because my other black fan is ugly. It's not cute. You're not wearing that on stage. And at least this one goes with my outfit. I'm wearing a pink dress, pink fan. So I want to squeeze in a little nap, even though I'm not necessarily in a nap kind of zone. But the reason why is because I have two shows. So I have to do the 7:30 one, then I get an hour break, and then I do a 9:30 show. And that hour break, you get so tired, and then you got to turn around and do it again. So because of that, I'm gonna try to take a little nap right now before my rehearsal, because once I start warming up my voice, there's no napping for me. So, and somewhere before this show, I think after my rehearsal, I'm gonna go try to fetch me like another cup of coffee so that I'm ready to go for tonight's show. Yeah. Now, I usually work off of a script for this show, but I'm feeling really inspired these days and I have a lot to say, so I feel like I don't need a script. And if I do, I'll just revert to the script if I can't think of what to say. But I've done this show enough to know what these songs mean to me, so I really don't need help with that. But I'm also finding that they have new meanings, so I don't really want to stick to the script because I'm a new woman since the last time I did this show. And this is the first time I'm doing the show out of contract, free to sing these songs and do this show how I want it to be done. And although the script is helpful, it's not necessary for me to function. So I will either use it or not. We'll see. That's everything out and about. If it's not here, it ain't getting on my face. I have 89 brushes and no foundation. Story of my life. I'm gonna turn it off and then I'll turn it back on when I get up from my nap, and I'll take you with me to my rehearsal and we'll go from there. Yeah, I'll see you later. Anyway, you can see they just cleaned my room, so that's why I pulled my makeup out. I wanted to wait till my room was all clean and ready to go. My nails are special right now. They need help. They need a lot of help, so I've been keeping them undone, professionally undone, I mean. So when I have to do a show or I'm at work or whatever, I would just slap on some press-ons for the time being and then let those babies fall off at their leisure. So yeah, that is what's up with today. So right now I'm going to turn this camera off and get ready for my nap. And then I will see you guys again around 3 when I get up and start to warm up my voice and start to move my body so that I can sound amazing for our show. Yeah? See you soon. guys. So I'm on my way to rehearsal. It's literally just downstairs. So I did not take a nap because I didn't feel like I needed to. Plus, I really like where my voice is, and I don't want any issues warming up again. So I gotta stay awake, which means after this rehearsal, I'm gonna be looking for me a good cup of coffee. Oh my God. It is me. Hey girl, happening tonight. Showtime with the Moya Angela. Oh snap. Oh snap. The band's all here. This is the theater we're giving. Alright guys, I'm on my way to the stage. I will see you guys shortly. I left my stick, so I'll bring it for the second one. I'm about to go on stage. See you guys. Bye. left my microphone backstage after my show, and I'm sure y'all like, that's not what we want to hear. I went crazy, but I just did 2 shows, and I don't care. You know why? They were so good. Oh, it's almost midnight, and I'm about to go look for this mic that I think I dropped in the dark backstage. Yeah, sorry. So that's why I don't have my mic. I wish I cared. Finally, I gotta go. I just did my show, so I can't show my face or body. It's a messy video. But the reason why I started it is because, guys, that show was amazing. I had like a performer breakthrough. Like, I started getting really emotional in the second show because I was thoroughly enjoying myself. Pretty rare. So, God bless. I can't find it, but not the end of the world. At least I dropped it backstage. It's a better chance I'll find it. And I'm pretty sure, because it was in the dark right before I went on stage, that maybe somebody kicked it or something. It's black, the floor is black. I'll come back tomorrow and do a thorough check. And I'm also gonna look through all my stuff because I'm that girl that swears that she lost something and it be right in her hand. That's me. Anyway, guys, my show was fabulous. Like, it was fabulous. And it not because it was perfect. I messed up notes a couple times. It was fabulous because I was emotionally and absolutely 100% in it. And it's very rare that I'm able to be in some things. So the fact that I was in it like that was a really good feeling.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have not thus far, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed what you saw. I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye-bye.